Did you know penguins have knees? Yes, you heard that right. Penguins, those adorable tuxedo-wearing birds that waddle around on the ice, actually have knees. It's a common misconception that penguins don't have knees because we can't see them. But the truth is their legs are just hidden under their fluffy feathers. Penguins' legs are composed of a femur, knee, tibia, and fibula, just like most other birds. The reason we don't see their knees is that they are tucked up inside their bodies, giving them that distinctive waddle. This unique structure helps them conserve heat in the frigid environments they call home. Penguins are fascinating creatures, not just because of their hidden knees, but also because of their incredible adaptability. They can walk, slide, or even swim at speeds up to 22 miles per hour. Imagine that. These birds are built for efficiency in the water, with their streamlined bodies and powerful flippers. They can dive to depths of over 500 meters and stay underwater for up to 20 minutes. Penguins are truly remarkable in their ability to thrive in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. Speaking of speed, let's talk about cheetahs. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, reaching speeds of 60 to 70 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. These incredible cats are built for speed, with long, slender bodies, powerful legs, and large nasal passages that allow for increased oxygen intake. Their claws are semi-retractable, providing extra grip during high-speed chases. Cheetahs can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, making them the ultimate sprinters of the animal kingdom. However, this incredible speed comes at a cost. Cheetahs can only maintain their top speed for short bursts, usually around 20 to 30 seconds before they overheat. This means they have to get very close to their prey before initiating a chase. Despite these limitations, cheetahs are highly successful hunters with a success rate of around 50%. Now let's shift our focus to a different kind of animal adaptation. Chameleons are the masters of disguise. These fascinating reptiles can change color not just to blend in with their surroundings, but also to communicate and show their mood. Chameleons have specialized cells called chromatophores in their skin, which contain different pigments. By expanding or contracting these cells, chameleons can produce a wide range of colors and patterns. This ability to change color helps them avoid predators, attract mates, and regulate their body temperature. For example, a chameleon might turn darker to absorb more heat from the sun or lighter to reflect it. Chameleons are also known for their incredibly long, sticky tongues, which they use to catch insects from a distance. Their eyes can move independently, allowing them to look in 2 different directions at once. This gives them a 360-degree view of their surroundings, making them highly effective hunters. Sloths are another fascinating example of animal adaptation. These slow-moving mammals are often perceived as lazy, but their sluggishness is actually a survival strategy. Sloths move slowly to conserve energy, as their diet of leaves provides very little nutrition. They have a low metabolic rate, which means they don't need to eat as much or move as quickly as other animals. Sloths spend most of their lives hanging upside down in trees, using their long, curved claws to grip branches. They sleep for up to 20 hours a day and only come down from the trees once a week to defecate. Despite their slow pace, sloths are surprisingly good swimmers and can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes underwater. Their slow movements and algae-covered fur help them blend in with their surroundings, making them less visible to predators. Whales are some of the most awe-inspiring creatures in the ocean. These giants of the sea have hearts that can weigh as much as a car. The blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, has a heart that can weigh up to 1,300 pounds. This massive organ pumps blood through a body that can be over 100 feet long. Whales are also known for their complex vocalizations, which they use to communicate over long distances. These songs can travel for hundreds of miles underwater, allowing whales to stay in touch with each other even when they are far apart. Whales are highly social animals, often traveling in groups called pods. They exhibit a range of behaviors, from breaching and tail slapping to more subtle forms of communication like rubbing against each other. These behaviors help strengthen social bonds and coordinate group activities like hunting and migration. Dolphins are another example of highly intelligent marine animals. These playful creatures are known for their problem-solving abilities and complex social structures. Dolphins can recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of self-awareness that is rare in the animal kingdom. They use a variety of vocalizations, including clicks, whistles, and body movements, to communicate with each other. Some dolphins even use tools like sponges to protect their noses while foraging on the ocean floor. This behavior is passed down from mother to calf, showing a level of cultural transmission that is quite remarkable. Dolphins are also known for their cooperative hunting strategies, where they work together to herd a fish into tight groups, making them easier to catch. Their intelligence and social nature make them one of the most fascinating animals in the ocean. Finally, let's talk about foxes. These cunning animals have an incredible sense of hearing. They can hear a mouse's heartbeat from 100 feet away. This acute hearing helps them locate prey even when it's hidden under snow or leaves. Foxes have large upright ears that can rotate to pinpoint the exact location of a sound. They use a variety of vocalizations, including barks, screams, and howls, to communicate with each other. Foxes are highly adaptable animals, capable of living in a wide range of environments from forests and grasslands to urban areas. They are opportunistic feeders, eating everything from small mammals and birds to fruits and insects. This adaptability has allowed them to thrive in many different habitats around the world. In conclusion, the animal kingdom is full of amazing creatures with incredible adaptations. From the hidden knees of penguins to the lightning-fast speed of cheetahs, the color-changing abilities of chameleons, the slow and steady lifestyle of sloths, the massive hearts of whales, the intelligence of dolphins, and the acute hearing of foxes, there is so much to learn and appreciate about the natural world. These fascinating facts remind us of the diversity and complexity of life on Earth. So next time you see an animal, take a moment to think about the unique adaptations that help it survive and thrive in its environment. The more we learn about these amazing creatures, the more we can appreciate the beauty and wonder of the natural world.